2,000 years later.
New and experienced operators alike may often overlook the importance of pre-operational checks. Whether you have been farming for 50 years or 50 days, you should start your day with pre-operational checks. By checking the tractor before using it helps to minimize the risk, improve safety, and maximize the life of the tractor. Some important parts of the tractor that you must check are defined by the acronym GLOW brackets. B for the battery, L for the lights, O for the oil, W for the water, A for the air, G for the gas, E for the engine, T for the tires, and S salt.
Battery. Check if your battery is still in good condition. Make sure that the battery terminals are not corroded. Check if cable to terminal are properly connected and the battery is clamped tightly. Brakes. Ensure that your brake system is working properly before you take out the tractor from the garage. Push the brake pedal all the way to the floor. Place of both right and left brake pedals must be equal to 30 to 40 mm. Check if your brakes are already worn out. It should not feel spongy and have little to no resistance.
Turn on all the lights, headlights, tail lights, work lights, and signal lights. Make sure that they are not tiptoe shaped. To confirm if the lights are working properly, ask someone to stand in front and behind the tractor as you operate the lights. If the lights emitted is blurry, clean your lamps until the glass is no longer foggy and replace bulbs if necessary.
Oil. Your engine needs proper and sufficient lubrication. Too little oil is bad for your engine. It can cause wear and tear on its moving parts, so you better check if your oil is enough and still in best condition. Using tractor's dipstick, check if the level of your oil is near full and has the viscosity similar to honey.
Your tractor needs to cool down. To prevent from overheating, check if your tractor or coolant reservoir is enough. If the reservoir is losing water, check the air cleaner, remove and shake any dirt to prevent clogging.
Gas or fuel. Make sure that you have sufficient fuel in the tank.
It is better to detect an engine problem before you drive off. Check for leaks that indicate an engine problem. If you hear pinging, popping, knocking, or any weird noise, better check your engine.
Tires. Improperly inflated tires not only increase your risk of blowout, but they also increase your fuel consumption. Before heading out, check if your tires are properly inflated. Not only check the air pressure, but also make sure that the lug nuts are tight. If you notice that you have low tire pressure, check your tires for bulges, bumps, tears, and other signs of damage.
Check yourself if you are sick, dizzy, tired, sleepy, or drunk. If you are suffering from any of these, you better let somebody else take over.
Hi guys! Before starting the tractor, you must rotate around the tractor and check all the bolts and nuts. Check the bolts and nuts of the parts of the engine, also the bolts and nuts of the front and the back wheel. And lastly, check the implement if it is properly connected and check if the bolts and nuts are tightened. Thank you!
The first step to start a tractor, you need to turn the battery switch clockwise. To start the engine, you need to secure yourself with a seatbelt. Then put the key to the ignition switch, then turn clockwise to allow current flow throughout the tractor. Press the clutch pedal, then start the engine. In order to slow down the tractor, you need to move away your feet from the accelerator pedal. When the tractor's speed is very low, press the clutch pedal so that the engine will not turn off. Then, slowly apply brake.
A few moments later.